Hey guys, how's it going? How to check streaks on Snapchat. So first of all, go ahead and launch the app and then basically swipe right from the camera screen, and then the fire emoji appears next to friends' names with whom you have an active Snap streak. The number next to the fire emoji shows how many days the streak has been ongoing. So let's know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching. We will definitely see you in the next one.